de que esta carretera la hicieron más o menos como unos 10 años atrás, pensando en el tráfico que se aproximaba, que ha crecido tanta la población, entonces la hicieron toda la orilla de las montañas y evita pasar los pueblos, ¿verdad? Es una ruta más rápida para no pasar por los pueblos, ¿verdad? Y evitar un poco el congestionamiento de tráfico en los pueblos. Entonces es la que usamos para salir para Chimaltenango, para la parte norte de Antigua y para la parte sur de Antigua, ¿verdad? Entonces ahorita nos dirigimos a la parte sur. Vamos pasando más o menos en un pueblito que se llama Ciudad Vieja. Tenemos un mirador adelantito muy bonito donde se puede ver el volcán de agua, y este pueblito que está a la derecha se llama San Lorenzo del Cubo, que también pertenece a Ciudad Vieja, ¿verdad? Entonces vamos muy tranquilos, muy felices en este viaje, esperando que todo salga bien, y la carretera es muy bien, es estupenda, pues tenemos buena carretera. Encantado de saludarlos y siempre a la orden.
El nombre de la carretera es
RN14.
RN14, y por lo que observamos es de que no hay cúmulos ni nada, porque en los pueblos cuando uno pasa siempre se disminuye la velocidad porque pues hay baches, ¿verdad? Y realmente no se puede avanzar tan rápido, pero aquí estamos viendo de que es carretera libre y es algo muy necesitado. Y gracias a Dios. Rolando nos estaba contando de que ahora los campesinos que tienen sus sembradillos ahí cerca de las faldas del volcán, que ahora ya han cambiado su cultivo de zanahoria, tomate, cebolla, papas y todo eso por el café, porque tiene mucha demanda y ellos pueden competir con las fincas grandes que son tradicionales, las que le venden a Starbucks y a las grandes compañías en toda Europa también. Así es de que bueno, ellos están compitiendo ahora con el buen café de este clima, que es uno de los climas más apropiados para un mejor café.
Han empezado con 2 o 3 cuerdas de terreno y ahora ya tienen sus 6, 8 cuerdas, 12 cuerdas de terreno, porque les ha ido muy bien. Y para la sombra no le siembran ya la gravilea, el árbol que solamente daba una especie para juntar una fogata, la leña, nada más para eso lo podían utilizar. Ahora lo que han sembrado es el aguacate para darle sombra al café, y en su terreno sacan 2 cosechas, ¿verdad? Sacan el aguacate y sacan el café.
Wow.
Ajá, y por eso les ha ido muy bien.
We're here at Irtra. Finally, we made it. Cualquiera de los dos. We're here at the registration to be able to get the information of which table we're going to be sitting at during the gala night on the 31st of December to welcome the New Year. Spectacular night tonight, the grand opening. Look at this beauty. Hi, Cheryl.
Hey, sweetie. We are here for the welcoming, and we're about to party with, I forget the name of the band, Brooklyn Band, I believe it's called.
Brooklyn Band, yeah.
Yeah, today is Egyptian night, day 1. This is our welcome, and we're about to have a great time.
Yay!
Yeah.
Buenas noches. Get in the video. Get in the video, Cheryl. Nice.
Gracias.
¿Con piquete o sin piquete?
Con piquete, es ginebra.
Ay,
Ginebra con blue curacao.
es gin. Buenas. Gusto. Gracias por su trabajo.
inside this venue, and the menu is available for us to eat. So one of the beauties of this menu here is that you get to choose what you want to eat, and then they cook it on the spot for you. And in this example right here, we ordered a seafood combination with curry, so it was so delicious. And look at the way they prepare everything, so fresh from straight from the ocean or the river, and cook it in front of your eyes. So we had a blast eating this delicious seafood curry here. This is part of the package that we paid for. It's 5 days and 4 nights. We checked in on December 28th, Saturday, and we checked out on the 1st of January 2025. And it was, I highly recommend it to anyone who is watching this video to venture out and come to Guatemala and look for Xetulul amusement park or theme park. You will have an amazing time. The facilities have pools all over the place. There's an amusement park that rivals Disneyland. There's also a water park that rivals Raging Waters. And there's a jungle area that I've never seen before. They have tree houses. We walked through it, but you know, in the next video you will get to see part of the jungle, and it's all natural. They build buildings inside nature, so it blends in really nice.
They're not destroying the environment. They're preserving their environment and just making economic development for the country. They're creating jobs as well as preserving nature and just creating an environment for everybody to come and have a great time with their family, young and old.
Yes, I second that.
Enjoy it and savor it.
This section is a section for meats. We have a long line. Look at this. I'm right behind this gentleman right here. So it's a long line. These are the best beef choices right here. Meat choices. This is the nativity set. Right here is still Xetulul at the hostales. Look at that beauty. It looks like little Bethlehem. Cheryl, how you like it?
I'm loving it. This is so original. I've never seen anything like this before. This is very artistic. The little miniature figures and everything. That's gorgeous. Up in the activity scene.
And this is Jesus born in the stable. Where we going now, Cheryl?
We're going to have a buffet. It's part of the whole package. Every morning that we're here, we have buffet. So we're going to enjoy some delicious food. Yay!
Now we're here having breakfast. Un cafecito, por favor. Sí.
So we are enjoying our breakfast, our brunch breakfast, a little bit of everything. Granola with yogurt and everything like that. It's so delicious. And black beans. We just have a little mix of everything and just started to dig in. This is yuca con chicharrones, black beans, queso, and some plantain, you know, some omelet, some sweets, and everything. I don't know what this is. Just had breakfast, relaxing, and just enjoy the scenery right now. At this beautiful place.
This is paradise.
Feels like paradise. Just taking a moment to just literally smell the roses and just enjoy this atmosphere. Moment and we're just taking it in. Literally just sitting back, relaxing, and just taking in all the views. Wow.
Los Hostales is a complex of different hotels located in Retalhuleu, Guatemala. And it is basically a resort. There are swimming pools all over. Each structure, its own theme, like we were staying in Santa Cruz. Oh yeah. We're going in the tunnel. Hi Cheryl, hi Jessica. Explain to us where we're going.
We're going to the main park.
Okay, get back.
We're heading towards the main park in Xetulul. We're on the train ride and we're taking the train over there, and we're going to see more when we get there.
Beautiful jungle. This is like Disneyland. The same admission.
Better than Disneyland.
Buenos días.
el día de hoy los estamos invitando a un viaje nuevo que acaban de abrir y se llama el pueblito de Chencho. Están invitados. Desde ya están haciendo los viajes para todos ustedes ahorita. Y ahí hay varias atracciones, hay carreras de cuyos. ¿Les gustan los cuyitos?
Sí.
Hola, hay cabritas. Fotos donde le ponen la guacamaya aquí, miren, y les toman una foto y usted está así, y le pica.
Un bonito día, que lo disfruten. Gracias.
Dentro del parque está prohibido no ser feliz. Que tengan un bonito día.
She says it is prohibited. We are going into the train station. And we have my wife leading the way, and she's our tourist guide.
Before we start to walk around the entire length of this park.
Gracias. My choo-choo train. Okay, so we're now getting on our way on the little train ride right around the park of Xetulul. sister. We're doing that one, right, Jess? Mine neither. Coffee plants. This is beautiful. We didn't come this far the last time, right, Cheryl? This is beautiful. beautiful jungle. You can see the variety of plants, tropical plants and trees, all as part of the train ride inside the park called Xetulul in Guatemala. It is located in the departamento of Retalhuleu, which is right next to Xetulul, the second largest city in Guatemala. It took us about 4 hours from Antigua, Guatemala to get to Xetulul. Normally it would take us around 3 hours, but then traffic was heavy, especially bumper-to-bumper traffic in Mazatenango area and Cuyotenango. And there were no accidents, it was just traffic jam. Bamboo. This is where they have Livingston. Pirates. This area here is where they have the town of Livingston, and then they have a pirate buccaneer. Look at this beauty. Teacups. We're right back where we started. This is the Palace of the Captains, the colonial court that housed the Spanish government called the Capitanía General de Guatemala, the General Captaincy of Guatemala. This is during the time that the capital of Guatemala was transferred from Antigua to Valle La Ermita, where Guatemala City is today. At this place is where they signed the Act of Independence that gave birth to the Republic of Guatemala. Okay. This is the morning of the signing of the independence of Guatemala. Wow. 1968. Oh yeah, this lady here. Dolores Bedoya de Molina.